My name is Rohan Prabhu, and I'm responsible for Microland's business in the Asia Pacific region. Microland is revolutionizing cybersecurity through our comprehensive offerings, our commitment to resilience, and the unique value we provide to our clients. With over 35 years of experience, we are more than a service provider. We are your trusted partner in ensuring that your business can thrive securely. Our cyber resilient first philosophy prioritizes resilience, allowing clients to defend against threats and recover swiftly. With a global presence, we deliver robust solutions from multiple locations. Our offerings cover all aspects of cybersecurity utilizing our AI-powered platform Intelligeni. Our offerings include, firstly, strategize and safeguard. This is to define security roadmaps to enhance defense capabilities. Second, we have transform and fortify, the rapid implementation of advanced security measures for compliance. And third, to defend and respond, a 24/7 proactive threat detection and response service for swift recovery. We serve various industries, including banking, manufacturing, and healthcare, with specialized solutions tailored to meet your needs.